Hi guys, when kids reach the age of crawling and walking, on one hand we're extremely happy that we can find them everywhere in the house, every corner of the room. But on the other hand, we're equally worried. What if they injure the little hands in the cabinet doors? What if they come too close to the electric sockets? What if they bang their heads against the corners of a platform? This video is all about baby proofing. This is part 1, how to prevent the kid from opening the cabinet doors. Guys, this is the cabinet lock we have ordered from Flipkart. As you can see, this has two ends, one end with a lock, unlock feature, and both the sides are stuck with the double gum tape. I'll shortly demonstrate you how to use this. And we got 12 of these for a price of around 660 rupees. I'll give you the link in description. So guys, I'll just demonstrate you how to use this cabinet lock on this cupboard. As you can see, this cupboard is freely opening up. Now this is a product. We need to first remove the paper covering of this double-sided tape. 1 and now 2. So you first need to stick one of these firmly to the door, then pull it a little till you feel the firm consistency, and then stick the second one to it. Press it a little harder, and now see, except for the little opening up, the cupboard is not opening completely. To demonstrate the lock unlock button, this is unlock, and this is how you lock it. Because this is little arrows once the cabinet locks are in place. So guys, if you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.